Hey, how are ya? Welcome. We're at my open house at 1353 Sycamore Canyon Road. Let's go inside and check it out. What's happened here is a complete renovation. This house is move-in ready. Tauco stack stone. Philip Jeffries wall covering. Beautiful wood floors. Powder room. Mahogany doors. An amazing master bedroom. Newport brass fixtures. 2 faucet heads. Get ready. Closet doors. That are self-closing or closing. 2 amazing walk-in closets. Big master bedroom. Philip Jeffries wall covering. TV with conduit that runs behind it so there's no wires. Really nice office with designer wallpaper. And a beautiful kitchen. Custom cabinets. Viking stove. Built-in microwave. And a big KitchenAid refrigerator.